Hello and welcome. In this video, let's talk about 50 million DOT that will be unbonded in the next 4 days, and I will also show you how to contribute your DOT to any crowd loan through Parallel Finance platform and what are the benefits of it. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Before I talk about Parallel, let me remind you that you should always leave Existential Deposit on your DOT address, which is 1 DOT. Many of you messaged me that your balance, which was less than 1 DOT, disappeared from your DOT wallet. That is because any balance under 1 DOT gets wiped, basically deleted from DOT address. So let's say you have 20 DOT in your account. So when you are contributing to Crowdloans, either contribute everything, that is 20 DOT, or leave at least 1.1 DOT in your account. So we would only contribute 18.9 DOT, because that way you will still leave in your account 1 DOT as existential deposit plus 0.1 DOT for transaction fee. Now the second thing I want to quickly look at is this daily unbonding schedule of DOT. This chart shows how many DOT will be unbonded in the following days. We can see that in the next 4 days, that is between November 10th and November 13th, there will be in total over 48 million DOT unbonded within just 4 days. Tomorrow 10 million DOT, on Thursday 24.5 million DOT, on Friday another 6 million, and on Saturday another 7 million DOT. The unbonding period of these DOT started right after Polkadot Auctions were announced. Thus, these DOTs are still yet to be unbonded and have not yet been contributed to any crowd loan. So in the next few days, we can expect more million of DOTs contributed mainly to Acala, Moonbeam and Astar. However, I believe not all of these DOT will be contributed to crowd loans. I would expect maybe around 5 to 10% might be sold on exchanges, as some people will look to take advantage of the pump of DOT due to auctions. So simply they will make profit by selling DOT once it peaks even more. And now Parallel Finance. Parallel is a DeFi blockchain built on Polkadot. Parallel has opened their crowd loan so you can contribute, but besides that, their platform also allows you to contribute to all other crowd loans that have already been launched. So this is Parallel platform. For crowd loans, click on crowd loan tab, and here you can see all crowd loans listed. Let me tell you, now there are so many new ways how to contribute to crowd loans compared to the first batch of Kusama auctions. Perhaps the biggest innovation for Polkadot Auctions is derivative liquid DOT, using which you maintain the access to the liquidity of your DOT contributed to crowd loans. Acala was first to introduce their version of derivative liquid DOT. To learn more about Acala's liquid LC.DOT, check the video in the top right corner. Parallel also enables you to maintain the access to liquidity of your DOT that you locked up in crowd loans. If you contribute your DOT through Parallel, you get a liquid cDOT tokens, which you will be able to trade for DOT as soon as liquidity pool with cDOT and DOT is launched on Parallel platform. And besides that, you will be also able to use this cDOT in DeFi products on Parallel, the same way as LC.DOT on Acala DeFi platform. Exactly as Acala's LC.DOT, also this cDOT is first of all the receipt or the certificate, if you will, which proves that you have contributed your DOT to crowd loans. For each DOT contributed to any crowd loan through Parallel, you will receive one cDOT, which you will be able to use to redeem your original DOT after 96 weeks. You will receive all cDOTs as soon as Parallel Finance onboards as a parachain on Polkadot, not before that. So if you, let's say, contribute 20 DOT to Moonbeam and Moonbeam wins the first auction, you will receive those 20 liquid cDOTs after Parallel becomes a parachain on Polkadot. Personally, I think that for contribution to Acala, it is better to contribute through Acala Crowdloan page through their Crowdloan Liquid Vault to receive Acala LC DOTs. My reasoning is that I believe the liquidity of LC DOT on Acala platform and on other DEXs built on Acala will be much greater than the liquidity of cDOT tokens on Parallel platform. On Acala DeFi platform, there will not only be trading pair LC.DOT, but also LC.Acala Acala and perhaps also other trading pairs, thus more options to trade your liquid LC.DOT, as well as likely more options for using LC.DOT in DeFi products on Acala network than for cDOT on Parallel Finance. Also, if you contribute to Acala through Parallel, you will not be eligible for that 2% ACA quests bonus, and you probably won't even get that Acala NFT. Honestly, this info about reward rules for Acala through Parallel is kind of confusing because it says here complete Acala quests for 2% additional ACH bonus and exclusive NFT, but in Parallel Telegram group to the question how about the Acala quest rewards, the admin answered no, we cannot provide quest rewards. So I would advise always check on Parallel Telegram exactly which bonuses you will be eligible for. For these reasons, I have used Acala's Liquid Crowdloan Vault for my contribution to Acala, and I will get Liquid cDOT. And also if you contribute to Astar through Parallel, you will not get that 10% ASTR bonus for early adopters. However, if you plan to contribute to other crowdloans, I think Parallel Finance is the way to go as you simply maintain the liquidity of your DOT, which is a great benefit. The second benefit is that you will also get the native tokens of Parallel, Para tokens, as a bonus for your contribution to any crowdloan via Parallel. On each DOT contributed through Parallel to any crowdloan, you will get 4 Para tokens. The bad part is that the total supply of Para tokens is extremely high, 10 billion tokens, thus one Para token will have a very low price, maybe 15 to 20 cents. Now the actual contribution is pretty straightforward. First make sure you connect your DOT wallet here on the top right, then click contribute, and here as I said read carefully the reward rules as each crowdloan has different reward rules. Now here add the amount of DOT you wish to contribute, so let me add 100 DOT, and this box is for Parallel referral code, so it is not for the referral code of the projects that you want to contribute. To get your own Parallel referral code, click here on the copy referral link, and the link is copied into clipboard. So this is the link that you will send to your friends to get 5% referral bonus in Para tokens, and also your friend gets 5% bonus in Para. Now this 5% Para referral bonus is calculated from that original Para token bonus which you get on each DOT that you contribute to any crowdloan through Parallel. So an example, I am about to contribute 100 DOT to Astar, and the minimum guaranteed reward is 3500 ASTR tokens, as the minimum reward is 35 ASTR per 1 DOT. Now that bonus for Para tokens per each DOT contributed through Parallel platform is not visible here, but let's just calculate that for this 100 DOT contribution I am eligible to receive 400 Para tokens. And now, since I've entered here Parallel referral code, I would get 5% referral bonus from those 400 Para tokens, which as you can see here is 20 Para. For this 100 DOT contribution to Astar, I'm guaranteed to receive at least 3500 ASTR tokens, plus that original bonus 400 Para tokens, 4 Para per each DOT, plus another 20 Para tokens as a referral bonus, which are those 5% from that original 400 Para bonus. Pretty complicated, I know. And now only check this box, click contribute to Astar and sign the transaction with your DOT wallet. Your contribution to Astar is not sent to Polkadot network, but to a highly secured Parallel multisig wallet, from which then your DOT will be sent to Polkadot relay chain. So let me remind you again, if you contribute to any crowdloan through Parallel, you won't see your contribution on Polkadot.js portal under your contribution tab. To check your contribution on Parallel and your crowdloan rewards, go back to crowdloan homepage, on the right click My Rewards, and here you will see all your contribution to all crowdloans through Parallel. You can see that I've contributed 5 DOT to Moonbeam. Once Moonbeam enables token transfers and starts distributing Glimmer rewards, I will have to go to Parallel, connect my Polkadot wallet, and claim my Glimmer rewards. In conclusion, I think contributing to crowdloans through Parallel is a good choice, as you will receive liquid cDOT tokens and thus maintain the access to liquidity of your DOT. Para token bonus is in my opinion quite negligible, as for instance for 100 DOT contribution you get 400 Para, and if 1 Para will be trading at 20 cents, that means your Para tokens would be worth of only $80. I'm hoping this video has been helpful. Feel free to ask me any question in the comments, join our Telegram group, and bye bye.